ang cravings natin today. So, Wadika, Southeast, may bagong kainan sa South. Tara!
Gets ko na ang cravings ni Tita Small. Dadayo ka talaga for this one.
Welcome to
The Thai Palace BF Homes Parañaque. This is located sa 235 Aguirre Avenue, BF Homes Parañaque. Tara, eats! When you go in, it's maaliwalas, clean, whimsical with its purple character. And here is the menu. By the way, meron silang complimentary chicharon while you wait. Yum!
complimentary snack. Hindi ka mainip while waiting. Sarap ng supa.
These are our orders: fried pork with lime, shrimp pad thai, then we have Thai lime chicken wings, and of course, mango sticky rice with Thai milk tea and pink berry blush. TBH, hindi ko nag-expect but the food is amazing. Pork is coated crispy, crunchy, yum. Bukas na lang yung diet. And the onion is very sweet. It's a balance.
It's like lechong kawali with a twist.
The vinegar enhances the flavor but it can stand on its own even without the dip. Masarap pa rin. Now the pad thai, plus factor kasi may shrimp. Plus, hindi siya na-overpower ng bean sprout. I've tasted several pad thai na and nalulunod siya sa sobrang daming toge and the portion is really madami. It's good for sharing. This is the closest to Thailand pad thai that I've ever tasted.
Welcome to Thailand.
I'm not into maasim, but Thai lime chicken wing is served oozing hot. Kasing hot ko.
A little bit on the sweet side. That's nice.
It is savory, sweet, comforting with the sesame seeds. Adds a bit of crunch. For the milk tea, taste is concentrated. Yung kaya kang ipaglaban kahit walang caffeine.
Milk tea.
I love this better kasi it's perfect for the weather. It's refreshing, malamig, masarap, and it's good for your reproductive system. It's
Sweet. On the sweet side. So, bagay na bagay for health. Wow.
saving the best for last. Syempre, dito tayo sa cravings ng bayan, ang mango sticky rice.
Sticky. And just rice sa cravings natin. Sarap. You should go here and experience this.
Gets na gets ko ang cravings ni Tita Small, and kahit pa I'm on my diet, naubos talaga namin yung mango sticky rice. Next week na lang ang diet. Kung nag-crave ka at kulang ang budget to go to Thailand, save this. The Thai Palace BF Homes Parañaque.
Gets ko na si Tita Small. Would I go back? Of course, definitely. Tara, let's. A new place to be where you want everything Thai. Tara, eat!